Hi there! Today I'm going to tell you what special is happening between Ripple and the SEC right now, and what price levels token holders should expect. Also, in the second part of the video, I will explain why nobody expects the turn of events I was able to find out. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important information. And well, let's not waste a minute. Here we go. Only recently has it become known that a court has ordered the SEC to disclose internal documents in a case against Ripple. This was announced by the lawyer James Fillon on his Twitter account. We are talking about the speech of the ex-director of corporate finance, William Hinman. In 2018, he gave a speech stating that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. Such performance is one of the main advantages of Ripple. No matter how hard the SEC hit the fact, in the end, it was not successful. The regulator has tried different methods. At first, they said that William was expressing his personal opinions, and then the regulator started referring to attorney-client privilege. But Judge Sarah Nedburn denied the motion to withhold disclosure of internal documents. Thus, many people believe that Ripple is almost a winner. But why don't I want to jump to conclusions? Well, at least because the SEC still has the ability to delay the compliance of court orders. That way, they can buy some more time to build a quality defense. These options may include a request to reanalyze the judge's order, reconsidering the situation, or appeal. And then we face the main question, which I'm sure interests many people. Where will we see XRP soon? And let's find out. In our current situation, it is essential to understand that token movement will directly depend on two factors. The first thing is in whose favor the court will rule, and the second thing to expect from Bitcoin in the near future. These two key moments will determine the future movement of XRP. Also, they're likely to create a positive general mood in the cryptocurrency market, which will provoke demand growth and break down through bear resistance for many altcoins. I want to point out that this is when most tokens, including XRP, will get huge opportunities for massive growth. Let's start with the first factor and the current situation on the chart. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see a long bear market of almost a year and a half, which has still not been broken. From my experience, such a breakdown of the strong resistance area must be accompanied by enough reason. We don't have any strong news yet, but it may appear soon. Overall, the token has found solid support at 30 cents, where investors accumulated their positions for 4 to 5 months. The RSI indicator shows us very positive signs for possible future growth. First, the RSI line has already dropped to the bottom of the range, which means that the asset is oversold. In other words, the token has almost nowhere to fall. And second, the indicator retested the yellow line. Thus, we got a confirmation of the exit from the oversold zone. And the following, as you can see on the chart, the indicator broke a huge bearish trend that started back in 2021. As a rule, the RSI is slightly ahead of the coin's price. That's why we can expect the token to continue growing a few weeks. If we look at the daily chart of XRP, we can see the formation of the Wyckoff pattern. The price recently finished testing the level of 42 cents, and if we get good news soon, holders of this coin could see the rising cost to 70 cents. I am not prepared to make bolder predictions now, as we should not forget about the current bear market. And in such a situation, coins cannot show any significant results. So, if Ripple Labs wins the lawsuit, we may see a price of 70 cents per token. But if the SEC wins, you should be prepared for XRP to return to 30 cents. Here are the approximate levels where I expect to see XRP soon. Also, I should mention that all my words are not a financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and experience with you. As always, all the responsibility is only on you. Next, I will tell you about the second factor. In the meantime, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Our team of professionals has only recently begun work, so we will be very happy to see you among our first subscribers. As for the leading cryptocurrency, since November 2021, it has already lost about 75% of its value. The Bitcoin chart also clearly shows global bearish resistance, but I must say there are positive hints of growth. This can include the presence of the accumulation of the asset for about 4 months. If Bitcoin manages to hold the critical level and will not drop even lower, then the bullish scenario for the XRP token remains in effect. The RSI shows a similar situation for Bitcoin. The only difference is that the indicator line has not yet broken through the bearish resistance. All altcoins will collapse if the main asset can't do it. And as you should know by now, they will drop in value much more than digital gold. This is at least one reason why you should be cautious. The bear market was not officially over, so there is a chance to get a second and even a third bottom as a gift. The second macro factor is the current state of the world economy. The US Federal Reserve has not stopped its policy and continues to raise its key rate. Because of this, not only the cryptocurrency market is falling, but also the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. With the non-decreasing inflation, which remains at high levels, we can assume that the Fed will not change its views for some time. Although the prices are already quite tasty, I urge you to remain cautious. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you later.